God. No. Dude! Dad, can I try to hold this? You know what I
You got a monster on there.
Dad, can I try?
Can you try what?
Okay, no way. Do
Oh,
it!
yeah, let him try. All right, go ahead. You guys try.
Dude, you do it. Oh.
How you doing? I played basketball with you when we were young, right?
Yeah, I'm a
Got it.
Yeah, FP, right? Franco Ackery.
Yeah, I remember.
How you doing, man?
Doing great.
Good. I look like you're doing awesome. Look at this.
Get
This
him,
is what
boy.
we're dreaming about.
Get it.
Oh, he's going the other way. What do you want me to do?
He's halfway to Delaware right
He's
now.
going to Ocean City. It's on the
Is that
waterfall.
why he's over there?
Is this going to be another,
Yeah, I think it's going to be the exact same.
Nope, it's going to be the same one.
All right, who wants to hold the rod?
Me. Not me.
Right hand up here. Two hands. So it's going to pull hard, okay? Feel that?
I see where the thing is. You have a lot to reel in.
Yeah. See if I can get him close and you guys can finish him off. Okay.
I can see him
I don't even think it's a shark because a shark will be going this way.
We just caught one sand shark that was bigger than anything.
Really?
I think this
Yeah.
is
I caught one of those down here before, right down in this